Today in this video, we will talk about effects and elements. Let's first import media. Click on Elements. These are filters just like Snapchat filters. You can use like this. There are multiple options available, you can use any of them. As you can clearly see the difference. By double-clicking you can see the effect name. If you uncheck the box then the effect will not apply. You can adjust the opacity of the effect from this slide. You can also add multiple effects according to need. Now let's talk about elements. These are pretty similar to the GIFs, and they are used to show something prominent. Just like that. Add multiple elements according to the requirements. There are multiple options available, you can use any of them.